Hi, I'm Roland with Impress Computers, and today we're going to be speaking to our lead technician, Kurt, and he's going to be discussing some of the problems that customers experience and how he's able to both control it from his control center over here. He can come in remotely. If need be, we can send a technician on site. So Kurt, what are some of the biggest issues customers have been having problems with at the moment?
Mainly it's networking, getting the shares, permissions, mostly to do with Quickbooks, because Quickbooks has a database for multiple users. And if that database is not running, then only one user can get in at a time. Things like that, networking.
So when they have that type of issue, are you able to come in remotely and get that fixed?
Yes, I can actually see the service, whether or not it's running or not, before I even get into the device or the server, and I can restart it without getting into it. But that's on the managed service side, where we monitor this 24/7, so I get an alert that says a critical service is not running, which is usually something to do with networking.
So you receive the alert, and a lot of the times you can fix it before the customer even realizes that they've got an issue.
Exactly, and that happens quite often because we have it set up to where if a critical service is stopped, after about 3 seconds, it will try to restart it 3 times. If it can't restart it, then it'll alert us, and we'll physically go in and see why it was.
So what would be the time that we would have to send somebody on site?
It's very rare. Pretty much we'll have to be on site if we don't have network connectivity. Or there's some sort of virus or something like that where we physically have to be there.
Or maybe
take it off the network.
Where a switch might have gone out, so we have
Right.
to physically replace it.
Exactly. If a networking device is no longer working or something like that, then we'll physically have to.
Now, we did have a customer this week that phoned in and said that they didn't have any internet, but the internet service provider said that it was coming through their modem. But you were able to fix that from here.
Right. In that case, the customer has a server with VMs inside of the server, so the host server was still accessible via the internet, but the other client servers were not. So we were able to get into the host and take a look at the networking connections and reset it to get them back online.
Great. Well, this is Roland and Kurt with Impress Computers, and if you're having any networking issues, problems accessing your QuickBooks, give us a call, 281-647-9977.